Wall Street embraces Bitcoin volatility with innovative ETFs, introducing leveraged and short ETFs to the market. Wall Street's enthusiasm for Bitcoin ETFs continues unabated, as ProShares launched two novel products, the ProShares Ultra Bitcoin ETF, BITU, and the ProShares UltraShort Bitcoin ETF, SBIT. These ETFs stand out in the burgeoning Bitcoin ETF market. BITU aims to deliver double the daily performance of Bitcoin as tracked by the Bloomberg Bitcoin Index. In contrast, SBIT offers inverse tracking. Both ETFs carry an expense ratio of 95 basis points. This development follows the highly successful introduction of numerous Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year, which attracted substantial investor interest, amassing $12 billion in net inflows and nearly $60 billion in assets. Notably, these new ETFs focus on spot Bitcoin returns, diverging from the previous trend of futures market-based products. The growing trend of spot Bitcoin ETFs. The massive inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs reflect the unquenchable thirst for Bitcoin-focused investment vehicles. The success of these products also points to ETFs becoming a preferred medium for easy trading in the crypto space. The recent conversion of Hashtag's Bitcoin ETF, DeFi, and the potential approval of Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust underscore this trend. Industry expert Michael O'Riordan, a founding partner at Blackwater, an ETF consulting firm, remarks, "This reflects the opportunistic nature of ETF managers, capitalizing on positive market sentiment to the fullest. Regulatory greenlight spurs new offerings. The approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs by regulators has opened a floodgate for investors, eager to capitalize on the direction of Bitcoin's future movements. This trend signifies the broadening appeal of crypto investments across various investor demographics. Leveraged ETFs, a double-edged sword." Matt Maley, chief market strategist at Miller Tabak Plus Co., acknowledges that the introduction of leveraged ETFs was inevitable. However, he cautions that while they can intensify speculation in an already volatile market, they also offer valuable hedging opportunities. This should attract more investors to the crypto asset class, he adds, the appeal of leveraged and short exposure. The rationale behind these investment vehicles becomes evident considering Bitcoin's price fluctuations. Despite a 10% decline from its mid-March peak, Bitcoin has surged by 54% since the year's start, bouncing back from a challenging 2022. The Volatility Shares 2x Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BITX, is a case in point, having consistently attracted significant inflows since its inception. ProShares' vision for Bitcoin ETFs. Michael Sapir, CEO of ProShares, sees the BITU fund as a gateway for investors seeking amplified Bitcoin returns or desiring substantial exposure with minimal risk. Conversely, the SBIT fund allows for profit when Bitcoin's price falls or serves as a hedge against Bitcoin holdings. In summary, Wall Street's latest Bitcoin ETFs offer sophisticated and varied investment strategies, catering to the diverse needs and expectations of modern investors in the volatile cryptocurrency market.